If you are in this position here, you don't have to put this cover on to test it, okay? The only thing you want to do is you don't even have to put the reservoir here. There is no sensor for the reservoir. Then go ahead, and once you have it screwed back together and secured with the hot glue, which I did here, and I stick the wires behind this little plastic piece, you should be able to put the housing back on, which goes in like this. The only thing you have to watch for is for this input window here, that it the power, where you plug in the power, that it goes in its place. And then there is a button on the opposite side, which is this button here, that if you push this, this base locks, and then if you push it, it unlocks. So make sure that you have that mechanism in there done correctly, okay? So that's how it looks when it's still without the outside housing. And I'm going to run upstairs to the bathroom, and I'm going to test it one more time to make sure that it still works.